Good afternoon, friends. My name is Pragnesh Thakkar. At present, I am working as an assistant professor of mathematics in Mathematics and Humanities Department in LD College of Engineering at Ahmedabad. As you know that last time we had discussed based on the topic trigonometry. In that topic, we had discussed measurement of angle, arc length, area of sector, and trigonometric ratios. So today we will continue the presentation with addition formula. So let's start with the presentation. Addition formula, also known as compound angles formula or sum and difference formulae. The sum or the difference of the two angles is known as compound angles, that is a plus b and a minus b are compound angles. Let us see the proof of addition formula. This is a right angle triangle. One angle is 90 degree and one angle is x, and the length of hypotenuse is 1. So what do we mean by cos x? Cos x means opposite adjacent side over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is 1, so adjacent side is cos x. Sin x is opposite side over hypotenuse, so opposite side of right angle triangle is sin x. Draw another right angle. So in that cos y, and angle is y, so cos y is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse is cos x, so adjacent side is cos x into cos y, and sin y is opposite side over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is cos x, so opposite side of the right angle triangle is cos x sin y. Draw another right angle. One angle is y, so another is 90 minus y, so that angle must be y. So sin y equal to opposite side over hypotenuse. Here hypotenuse, if you see, it is a sin x, so opposite side is sin x into sin y. Cos y is adjacent side over sin x, so adjacent side is sin x into cos y. So that angle is x plus y. So sin x plus y is opposite side over hypotenuse. Here opposite side is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and hypotenuse is 1. And similarly cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. These two are addition formula of sin and cos. Sin x plus y formula is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y, and cos x plus y is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. In cos, if there is a plus sign, then on left hand side there is a minus sign. If we replace y by minus y, then we will get a subtraction formula, sin of x minus y, that is sin x cos minus y plus cos x sin minus y. As we know that sin is an odd function, so sin of minus y is minus sin y. So formula becomes sin x cos y minus cos x sin y. Similarly, formula of cos x minus y is cos x cos minus y minus sin x sin minus y. We will apply the same concept, as sin is an odd function, sin of minus y is minus sin y. So formula becomes cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now we will find formula of tan of x plus y. Tan of x plus y is sin x plus y over cos x plus y. Replacing formula and dividing numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. So we will get formula of tan of x plus y is tan x plus tan y over 1 minus tan x into tan y. If we replace y by minus y, then we will get tan of x minus y. Tan x plus tan of minus y over 1 minus tan x into tan minus y. As we know that tan theta is sin theta over cos theta. Sin is an odd function and cos is an even function. So tan is an odd function, so tan of minus y is minus 10y. So formula of tan of x minus y is tan x minus 10y over 1 plus tan x into tan y. Sum and difference formulae. Let us try to recall again the formula. Cos of sin of x plus or minus y is sin x cos y plus or minus cos x sin y, and cos x plus or minus y is cos x cos y minus plus sin x sin y. Tan of x plus or minus y is tan x plus or minus tan y over 1 minus plus tan x tan y. Let us see the animation of difference formula of cosine x. This is a difference formula of cos a minus b. Addition of sine formula, sin a plus b is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Now we will discuss allied angles. What do we mean by allied angle? If the sum or difference of the measure of two angles is either 0 or is an integral multiple of n pi by 2 or pi by 2, then these angles are called allied angles. For example, theta and pi by 2 plus theta, difference is pi by 2, 30 and 150, addition is 180, and 30 and 60, addition is 90. Again I am repeating, what do we mean by allied angles? If the sum or difference of the measure of two angles is either 0 or is an integral multiple of pi by 2, that is n pi by 2, where n is any integer, then the angles are known as allied angles. Trigonometric functions for allied angles. If angle is multiple of 90 degree, then sine will convert into cos, and cos will convert into sine, tan will convert into cot, and cot will convert into tan, sec will convert into cosec, and cosec will convert into sec. If angle is multiple of 180 degree, then sine will convert into sine, cos will convert into cos, and tan will convert into tan. This is a trigonometric ratio. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta, sine of 90 minus theta is cos theta. This table we will try to understand on table. Here angle is theta equal to 0, theta equal to 90 degree or pi by 2, theta equal to pi or 180 degree, theta equal to 3 pi by 2 or 270 degree, and after one rotation it will gives you 2 pi. Suppose I want to find value of sine 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta, we are subtracting angle from 90, so it definitely it will be in first quadrant. And as we know that in first quadrant all trigonometric functions are positive, in second quadrant sine and cosec are positive, in third quadrant tan and cot are positive, and in fourth quadrant cos positive, cos and sec positive, other trigonometric functions are negative. Sin 90 minus theta, it is in first quadrant, so in first quadrant sine positive, but 90 minus theta it will convert into cos theta. Suppose I want to find sine of 90 plus theta, then definitely 90 plus, we are adding angle, so it will be in second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive, but 90 plus theta, so it will convert into cos, and in second quadrant cos is positive. Cos 90 minus theta, that is in first quadrant. In first quadrant cos is positive, but it will convert into sine. Suppose I want to find sec 180 minus theta, 180 minus means we are subtracting angle, so it will be in second quadrant. In second quadrant, as we know that sec is negative, so it will be minus sec theta. Suppose I want to find tan 2 pi plus theta, value of tan 2 pi plus theta. 2 pi plus means we are adding angle, so tan of 2 pi plus theta is tan theta. In first quadrant, tan is positive. Now we will discuss on presentation. Let us see first example. Find the exact value of cos 105 degree. We will discuss this example on table. We want to find the value of cos 105 degree. That one can write as cos 60 plus 45 degree. And as we know that addition formula of cos alpha plus beta is cos alpha cos beta minus sin alpha sin beta, that is cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Value of cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 45 is, as we know that, 1 by root 2, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So answer is 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. If you want to simplify, we can multiply and divide by root 2. So root 2 minus root 6 by root by 4. We will discuss this example on presentation. Cos 105 degree can be written as cos 60 plus cos 60 plus 45. Then apply addition formula, cos 60 cos 45 minus sin 60 sin 45. Value of cos 60 is 1 by root 2 and cos 45 is 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 2, minus sin 60 is root 3 by 2 and sin 45 is 1 by root 2, that is root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 4 minus root 6 by 4. So answer is root 2 minus root 6 by 4. That is the exact value of cos 105 degree. Without using calculator, one can find that value. Now second example. Find the exact value of sine minus of pi by 12. Let us discuss this example on present table. We want to find value of sine minus pi by 12. This one can write as sine pi by 4 minus pi by 3. Now here we will apply subtraction formula of sine. Sine alpha minus beta is sine alpha cos beta minus cos alpha sin beta. Sin pi by 4, that is sin 45 degree, value is 1 by root 2. Sin pi by 3, that is sin 60, is 1 by 2. Cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2. So answer is 1 minus root 3 by 2 root 2. We can simplify this by multiplying by root 2 in numerator and denominator. So answer is root 2 minus root 6 by 4. Let us discuss on presentation. We want to find exact value of sine minus of pi by 12. That one can write as sine pi by 4 minus pi by 3. Here we will use subtraction formula of sine. That one can write sine alpha cos beta, that is sine pi by 4 cos pi by 3 minus sine pi by 3 cos pi by 4. value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, or one can write root 2 by 2. Sin pi by 3 is 1 by 2. Replacing the value of sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, and cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. After simplifying, we will get the value root 2 minus root 6 by 4. Third example, if tan of theta plus alpha is A and tan of theta minus alpha is B, then prove that tan of 2 alpha is A minus B over 1 plus A into B. We will discuss this example on table. Question is, value of tan theta plus alpha is A and value of tan theta minus alpha is B, and we want to prove that tan 2 alpha equal to A plus A minus B over 1 plus A into B. We want to find value of tan 2 alpha. Using given two data, one can write value of 2 alpha as theta plus alpha minus theta minus alpha. Simply one can write 2 alpha equal to theta plus alpha minus theta minus alpha. Then we can apply tan on both sides. Now we will apply subtraction formula of tan alpha dash minus beta dash, that is tan alpha dash, that is tan theta plus alpha minus tan theta minus alpha over 1 plus tan theta plus alpha into tan theta minus alpha. Tan of theta plus alpha value is given A, and tan of theta minus alpha value is B, that is A minus B over 1 plus A into B. That we want to prove. We will discuss the same example on presentation. We can write tan 2 alpha equal to tan of theta plus alpha minus theta minus alpha, and now we will apply subtraction.